Here's another Amazon must-have for every car owner. This magnetic dashboard kit to hold your phone. With the magnet that it comes with, remove the adhesive on the back and place it where you'd like on the back of your phone case. Then, with the magnetic ball, remove the adhesive and place it wherever you'd like on your dashboard. This is where I chose to place mine. Now when you're ready to drive, just grab your phone and place it on top of the magnetic ball, which you can rotate 360 degrees. It's extremely durable, so your phone will be secure the entire time you drive. The link is in my bio, and if you enjoy watching my videos, then be sure to follow me on Instagram for more.
Here are my top 5 Amazon car must-haves. At number 5 is this car cleaning gel that's amazing at picking up dirt, dust, and crumbs. At number 4 is my trusty car trash can that is a #1 bestseller on Amazon and is a great way to keep your car clean. At number 3 is this solar power car air freshener that makes your car smell really good. At number 2 is the car seat key that makes it so much simpler to unbuckle your child from their car seat. And my #1 car must-have is my portable air compressor that helps you maintain the tire pressure in your car. Grab the links in my bio and be sure to follow.
Amazon Car Must-Haves Part 7. First up is this insulated sleeve you can add to your drink to keep it extra cold. No more dripping and excessive condensation, and the ice cubes last a lot longer. Next up is this organizer you can attach to the back of the seat. It has a tray that pulls down and enough space for 2 drinks and other odds and ends. And last up is this tray you can clamp to your car. It's perfect for eating on the go, especially now when a lot of states don't have indoor dining.
Car must-haves from Amazon. A phone holder that automatically clamps and charges your phone. This portable car jumper so you don't need help to jumpstart your car. A pack of 4 of these car hooks so you can hang your purse and grocery bags. And this mini trash bin that clips to the side of your door.
Amazon must-have, Part 22. This windshield wiper is amazing and is a must-have for every car owner. It's extendable from 9 to 15 inches and comes with 2 reusable microfiber towels. Just wash them and they're ready to be reused again. You can use this wet or dry, on the interior or exterior, and it helps to get those hard to reach places such as the corners. No more streaks or watermarks. No more need for paper towel or cleaning products. This microfiber cloth does the job. The link is in my bio, and if you enjoy watching my videos, then be sure to follow me on Instagram for more.
Car Must-Haves from Amazon Part 2. First up is a sunglass holder that attaches directly to your visor. Just press lightly to release your sunglasses. It also has slots on the side for credit cards for easy access when you're going through a drive-thru or on a road trip. Next up is this purse holder you can clip between the seats. You can easily reach into your bag and it prevents it from falling into the back seat. For smaller bags, you can slip it right into the pouch. It's also a great barrier for dogs. Last up is this trunk organizer with a bunch of different compartments for essentials. You can clip it to your trunk so it stays in place and it prevents your bags from falling around while you're driving. Car must-have from Amazon. This little device from Prime Tracking is awesome because not only does it track your vehicle, but it also gives you a diagnosis of your engine's health. You just plug it into the OBD port of your car, which is located underneath the steering wheel by the brake and gas pedals. After it's plugged in, you can use the Prime Tracking website or app to see things like the coolant temperature, your vehicle battery percentage, the fuel level, and get notified of issues that arise before they become a huge problem. You can also get notifications and set up different parameters such as speed so that you can get notified if that vehicle breaks the speed limit or goes over a certain speed that you've set. The other cool thing is you can set up geofences so that you can tell if your vehicle has entered or left a designated area, and you can also see the route history of the vehicle. This is perfect for parents of teenagers, or if you're a business owner and have service vehicles that you need to keep tabs on, get a driver score, or get notified of mechanical issues. It's super beneficial and can really help to keep all of your loved ones safe. Car must-haves from Amazon Part 4. This portable mini fridge is awesome for drinks, your lunch, or if you're going on a road trip and need to keep food cold. It plugs into your cigarette lighter and you can turn it to cool or to warm. This sticky anti-slip pad that allows you to keep things on your dash without them sliding off. This gel putty that picks up any dust or crumbs from nooks and crannies and just helps you to keep your car nice and clean. An organizing bin for your trunk so it's not a complete disaster. In it I have the portable vacuum that I've shared before, a flashlight, jumper cables. If your kids do sports, this is awesome, or some extra diapers. It has pockets for storage and different compartments. This tracker has a lot of cool features like being able to get notified every time it enters or leaves a certain area and being able to see the pattern of a car. And lastly, if you have an older car, this FM transmitter is great. You can make phone calls and plug it into your cigarette lighter so you can listen to your own music. Amazon Car Must-Haves Part 5. First up is this tray you can attach directly to your steering wheel. Perfect for eating or doing work. Next up is an adapter with 4 USB ports. You can charge multiple devices at once. And last up is this organizer that fits perfectly on the seat of a car. If you're going on a road trip or spend a lot of time in your car, this is perfect because you can pack it with everything. Car must-haves from Amazon Part 2. Not even kidding, this is one of the most genius inventions. It's a little sauce clip that goes onto your vents for your chicken nuggets or fries or whatever while you're driving and need a good spot to put your dips. It also has a little tray on the bottom for little sauce packets or ketchup. I love this phone mount for your dash. There's a little camera on there so it senses when your phone is there and just automatically opens, closes, and is secure. This little gap filler that goes in between your seat and the console, it's great for catching little items or storing things, and there's a little can holder for my Diet Coke, which is essential. This portable vacuum is so great, especially if you have kids or pets, and it can always keep your car clean. There's different attachments that get down into places that you can't always reach, so it's really nice. And lastly, this cute first aid kit. It's always a good idea to have one on hand in case you ever need anything. Like for Part 3. Car must-haves from Amazon Part 6. First up is this mat that goes over the bumper to protect it from any scratches or dings when loading or unloading things from the trunk. Our cars get so many scratches just from everyday use, which I hate. I also hate when I'm leaning against the bumper and my pants get all dirty, so this mat helps to eliminate both issues. It clips on easily to the inside of the trunk, or you can Velcro it on. It's great for loading or unloading your luggage, furniture, bikes, strollers, or when your pets are going in and out of the car, and it's universal so it can work for any car. Next up are our favorite purse hooks. These are awesome because they can hold your groceries, your purse, your jacket, so things aren't on the floor, and it frees up space, or if you have kids or are on a road trip, you can watch a show. Next is this outlet hub that is great if you have guests in your car or just need additional outlets. It plugs right into your car and it has 2 regular and 3 USB outlets. And lastly is this ceiling cargo net that is perfect for road trips. It frees up space on the floor and creates additional storage.
How to keep your car organized and smelling good. This is a humidifier and diffuser in one. It plugs into your cigarette lighter and smells so good. These hooks are a game changer. So easy to find your wallet. It holds groceries, hats, jackets, and even holds phones. This cleaning gel is fun to play with, but it actually gets dirt out of all of the hard to reach crevices. When you're done, put it back in the bottle and it fits in cup holders too. This vacuum cleans wet and dry, which is so helpful. It has 3 attachments and it plugs into your cigarette holder. I love this extender for hard to reach places. This tool fits in your glove compartment. It'll shatter the glass and also cut your seatbelt in case of emergency. Follow for more.
If you own a car, then stop scrolling because you absolutely need this product in your life. This is called the Halo Bolt. I got it off Amazon and I'm telling you, this is the most powerful charger. Not only that, it is a jump start for your car that you can do by yourself with no help needed. I've had a few near-death experiences with my car dying on the side of the road, so this could have come in really handy if I had it, and I love that it's so easy to use. If I can do it, anyone can do it. Another cool feature is that it has an outlet so you can charge your phones, or better yet, if you're camping, you can get out your toaster, throw in some Pop-Tarts. Really, the possibilities are endless. And lastly, it has a built-in flashlight. The reviews say this thing lasts forever. It's such a good investment and it's under $100.
Amazon Car Must-Haves Part 3. This car tray is a lifesaver. You can put it on the passenger seat and use it to transport things like food and drinks. It even has a strap you can put across the items so they stay secure while you're driving. And if you're the passenger, you can put the tray directly on your lap and use it as a table for eating, drinking, or doing work while you're on the road.
My favorite Amazon car must-haves. This gum that fits perfectly in your cup holder. This silicone keyring bangle. My personal favorite, this essential oil diffuser that changes colors and plugs into your USB. It makes your car smell so good. This organizer where I keep bank deposits and pens. I also have one of these in my glove box where I keep an emergency $20, insurance cards and whatnot. Another favorite is this retractable car charger. This small accordion folder where I keep coupons and also put receipts. And then there's donation slips in here as well. Hand wipes. And this awesome trunk organizer, it comes with a lid, but I did remove that. It has Velcro on the bottom and it stays in place. I keep my reusable grocery bags and then also some baby essentials in here as well.
These funky goggles serve a very important purpose. They're designed for people who are prone to motion sickness. By wearing them for only 10 minutes, they will help you restore your balance. They do look a little bit funny, but after giving them a try, they really do work. Make sure to follow me for more content like this.
Amazon products you need or don't in your life, part 81 of 100. This car door step will give you much more height when you are trying to access the roof of your car to reach things like your canoes, kayaks, bikes, cargo bags, or if you're just trying to wash the roof of your car. Just simply hook it over your vehicle's door latch to get the extra boost. It has a fold-down design that allows for easy storage and has this metal tip to break your glass in emergency situations as well. Just don't forget to remove it before closing your car door. Now, are these something you need or don't need?
This sticky anti-slip pad that allows you to keep things on your dash without them sliding off. Car must-haves from Amazon Part 5. First up is this seat back organizer that is awesome if you are going on a long road trip or if you have kids. It has this little tray that can go up and down, so it's awesome for propping up an iPad to watch a show, or if you need to be working while you're in the car, you can set up your computer. And it just clips on the back of the seat and has all these different compartments for storage and organization. Next is the seat buckle for your dogs. It comes in a pack of 2 and you just clip it into the seat buckle, and then on the other hand clips onto your dog's leash. The strap is adjustable and it will keep your dog safe if you don't want it moving around in the car while you're driving. If your car doesn't have a built-in blind spot mirrors, these are great. They come in a pack of 2 and you just stick them onto your mirror and it creates a magnified view so you can easily see in your blind spot. And lastly is this digital tire pressure gauge. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like the ones with this stick always confuse me. So this one's really nice because it has the different settings, so you just set it to the one that you need, stick it on the valve, and it will automatically tell you your tire pressure.